How to change Weverse profile picture. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing the profile picture on Weverse application. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch the Weverse application and make sure that it's updated to its latest version and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the home page, go to community that you'd like to. Now, once you're in that community, tap on the user icon or the profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen, that is between the three dots and the search icon. Once you do that, tap on Edit Profile option, which is below the followers. Now tap on the camera icon that is above your username. Allow the Weverse app to take pictures and record the video or upload any picture that you'd like to. Select any picture that you'd like to set as a profile picture on Weverse application and then tap on Done in the top of the screen and you'll be done. Lastly, tap on Save in the bottom of the screen and you'll be done. So this is how you can change profile picture on Weverse application. So if you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.